Test. It's your boy again. Yes, indeed. I am here today on this Friday. Right now, I am in Columbus, Georgia, at the White River Rafting. Man, you see the beautiful water. Man, it is amazing out here. They got people jogging, running on the river raft. Man, I love it. I'm here visiting family and friends. And boy, we are having a ball. Yes, I did get me a 3.2-mile run today on the treadmill at the hotel. And man, as you see behind me, look at them doing the raffle. You see them fans there? It is awesome. It is awesome. Man, get out there in nature. Find some place to do some fun stuff. My wife want to get out here and do some rafting. You know what I told the fam then? No. Can't do it. But hey, get out there, enjoy yourself today. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great weekend. You know, this is my preparation day. Tomorrow, my rest day. But I just had to come in and let you guys know that your boy is doing great. Enjoy myself on a little vacation right now. I love you, and you know how we do it. Ooh, oh.